This is Umesh Mari. Welcome to my channel An Engineer's Guide. So guys, in this session I will teach you how to find an interpolation using a trend function. So guys, as you all know, most of the times while performing an engineering calculations, we have to use the method of interpolations. So first, what is actually interpolation is? Interpolation is if 1 belongs to 2 and 2 belongs to 4, then what 1.5 belongs to? So method of finding that what 1.5 belongs to is nothing but the interpolation. So let's see how to do this in Excel. Simply you have to type a trend, then it will ask you just specify the known wise. So just select that range known wise, then it will ask you what are the known axes. So just specify known axes, then it will ask you new x. Just type new x and enter. So see, first we'll go step by step. If 1 belongs to 2, 2 belongs to 4, so what 1.5 belongs to? So it will belongs to 3, because 1.5 is in middle of 1 and 2 and 3 is in middle of 2 and 4. So guys, hope you like my videos. So thank you.